Every patient with breast cancer, before undergoing surgery, has a discussion with the treating surgeon about which is the correct procedure for her. So if we roughly look at the surgical options for breast cancer, they can be broadly divided into basically two types. One is breast conservation surgery, commonly known as lumpectomy, where the tumor is removed with a margin or a rim of normal tissue around it. The second is mastectomy, that is removal of the entire breast. The decision about which is the correct procedure for a particular patient depends on a variety of factors about the patient, about the tumor. Some of them are very technical, such as the site of the tumor, size, shape, extent, stage, etc., which are generally evaluated in detail by your treating surgeon. But there are certain things about breast cancer surgery which every patient must know while they are having this discussion. And what are these things? First and foremost, we should understand that breast conservation surgery with radiation is as safe as mastectomy, that is removal of the entire breast, in terms of the risk of the cancer coming back or the long-term survival of the patient. The general understanding among people is that if we remove the entire breast, the chances of cancer coming back will be close to nil. However, this is not true. In most cases of early breast cancer and in certain well-selected cases of locally advanced breast cancer, the safety of these two procedures has been well established. Secondly, every patient must know that after lumpectomy or breast conservation surgery, radiation for 4 to 6 weeks is a must. Radiation might or might not be needed after a mastectomy. It depends on the final pathology report and factors such as how large was the tumor and whether the nodes were involved or not. Thirdly, we should always remember that when we do a lumpectomy, the surgeon sends the entire specimen for testing, and the pathologist tells us whether the margins, the rim of normal tissue around the tumor, were free of tumor or not. This is very important, and rarely that margin might have cancer cells, and then your surgeon might need to discuss revision surgery with you. But the chances of this happening are actually quite low. And after breast conservation surgery, often we offer a procedure called as oncoplasty to our patients. This is a plastic surgery kind of a procedure which helps in making a lady's breasts look as normal as earlier. Even after mastectomy, the option of whole breast reconstruction using various plastic surgery techniques is there and should be discussed with you. We must remember that losing a breast has a lot of psychological impact on any lady, and hence the discussion about breast conservation surgery must be made with you before you take your decision.